Okay, why is it inside out? Let me find out Shein gave me somebody else's dress. Cause why is this thing inside out? Hey, it's your girl QG. Yep, that's right, Queen of the Grandin Nights. Alright, so this should have been done like last week with my other packages, but this one decided to trail along and get here whenever it felt like it. So it's holding up the progress and the process. And so basically that is my other Shein package that was supposed to have been unboxed with my other ones from the other video I did that y'all seem to really like, and I'm okay with that. Okay, but anyway, I don't really even know what's in this package because it's been so long. I know that I was trying to put together a specific haul, and whatever I'm waiting on is supposed to be in this package, but we're gonna see. And I don't want to be held up any longer. I don't want y'all to hold on any longer, so I want y'all to see what's up in this package with me, and let's take a gander, okay? All right, so what I did notice what Shein did last time that I really appreciated that they sent it through DHL shipping. And honestly, usually it takes like a week to 2 to 3 weeks sometimes for your packages from Shein to come. But with DHL, my stuff came in like 3-4 days. Whereas with this one came in regular UPS, and as you can see, it holds things up. So if you're able to get your stuff shipped from DHL, do that because you will be grateful for it. But anyway, let's see what's inside this package. Okay, so here we have something very colorful. Now I think I know what this is. I think that this is a dress, and I think that this goes with my haul that I was putting together that I didn't get a chance to finish because I didn't have all the stuff I needed. But am I correct? Yes, it's a dress. I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's a very short dress too. So okay, it's a very short dress. I don't know how that's gonna look on me because I'm already short, but I'm also very layered. I got a lot of layers to me, so hopefully this dress doesn't come out looking like a freaking t-shirt on me. That's what I'm scared of. But it is pretty short. Okay, so the next package we have something that's zebra printed. Okay, let's see what that is. I think this is a dress too. It's a shame I don't remember what I have, huh? All right. Yep. Okay. So this is a turtleneck dress. Okay. See that? Okay. This was a part of my sexy night haul I'm putting together. I like that. It's a Bodycon dress, just so you know. Here's another colorful dress. Now, this is very small. So, if this is supposed to be a dress, I'm scared because, as you can see, it hardly even fits in this package because of how small it is. I'm scared of that. I think it's a dress. Yes, it is a dress. It's, ooh, and see-through. Okay. Wow. Okay, why is it inside out? Let me find out Shein gave me somebody else's dress. Because why is this thing inside out? Let me find out Shein gave me somebody else's dress that they returned. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Okay, honestly, I think we have a manufacturing issue here because, hold up, y'all. Okay, I think this is a manufacturing error because up top it's inside out, like the stitching is inside out. I don't know if y'all can see this. Hold up. You see this? So the stitching, this is supposed to be on the inside. This is the outside, okay? Now down here at the bottom, where it's stitched correctly, you know, this is the inside, which is what the upper top is supposed. Y'all, I'm pissed. Now, granted, I did get this on sale. I think it was $4. Don't judge. I guess it's what you get when you buy a $4 dress, but I'm pissed. I've never had this happen to me before from Shein. So this, my dear, is a fail because if I flip this inside out, Yeah, someone did this wrong. I'm pissed. I'm sorry to be saying on this, but I'm so pissed. I'm so hurt. $4, I get it, but that's my $4 that I had to work for, okay? I'm so pissed. Anyway, I'm gonna try to recover from that one. I'm hurt by this. Anyway, what is this? I'm mad now. I'm not even happy to open up my packages anymore. God, okay. So this is, I don't even know what this is. What is this? Okay, so this is a dress. It's another Bodycon dress. See, I'm being all mean to the new clothes because of that one. All right, this is an off the shoulder. This is an off the shoulder brown dress, Bodycon dress. It's very similar to the other dress that I had opened up. So I basically kind of got like the two of the same dresses, except the other one is like a sweater dress, and this one is like, I don't even know what type of fabric this is. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm just so distrustful right now. I'm not even happy anymore. Okay, so we got a pretty print here. I know this is a dress. I think it's an A-line, like vacation dress or whatever. Okay, yeah. So this is a sleeveless A-line dress. It's cute. I love the pattern. It's very, I love like tribal type prints. And that's definitely what we have here. Don't know what that's going to look like on me, but we'll see. Okay, so we have another colorful package here. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm really pissed. I'm trying to have a smile on my face, but I'm so hurt right now. Like, okay, now this is the first time I've had an outfit from Shein that gave me a tag. It's cool, I guess. Oh, ooh, okay, so we have a sexy party dress here. I don't know how it works. Okay, so it's a halter, I think. I think this is a halter dress, bodycon dress, very short, by the way. So honestly, I don't know how that's going to work, but we're gonna find out whenever I do my, lookbook haul, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna see what this stuff looks like. I'm scared, y'all. Okay, what is this? I don't know. I don't know what the hell this is. I'm so pissed. Okay, so snake print, just like my snake print pants from another video that I have that y'all should really check out, because I really love the outfits in that one. And this dress right here reminds me of the pants that I had on in that one, and they're like my favorite. But anyway, yeah, this is a very, very short dress. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. I like the print. It's like a crocodile. I don't think it's a snake. I think it's a crocodile, actually. I'm not sure. But it's very, very short. I'm going to have to see how to pair that because I don't need my booty cheeks hanging all out. And that is it. That is it for all the stuff that's in my package. I wish I could be a lot happier, but y'all, this right here just got me so hurt because how dare you? Like, yeah. Whoever put this together did it incorrectly. Like I said, the stitching is on the outside. Yeah, see, correctly, not correct. They messed the whole top up. And I was actually looking forward to this dress because when I seen it on the model, it looked really, really pretty. And this is what I was looking for, and this was a fail. Alright, so I want to thank y'all for sitting down and watching me open up my gifts. As you can see, I'm not very happy, but it is what it is. That's what happens. You get what you pay for, as they say. So I obviously got what I paid for. Usually I don't have these issues with Shein, but this is one of those off times, I guess. But thank you for watching this with me. Check out my other videos and see the hilarity that is me. Yes, QG. And I hope to see you again. Until next time, bye.